Hi.
Why are you so stressed? I'm so sorry.
Yeah, it's just university. I think you can relate to that. It's just the end of the semester, a lot of going on. It's going on here with a lot of projects and assignments and stuff like that.
Yeah, I feel the same right now, and I think it's even more difficult in this situation right now. But at least for me, it helps to just to talk to friends or to some family members. Did you try that as well?
Yeah, I definitely tried, but I think everybody is stressed out, all the students, the semester ends, so they all have their assignments and exams they have to learn for, and like for family, they're a lot in home office, so they're just like stressed out as well. So everybody's kind of stressed out right now.
Yeah, that's true. But yeah, what about your sleep? And do you manage to eat enough, or how do you manage
Yeah,
that?
well, like for sleep, it's always when I'm stressed. I struggle with sleeping enough because I get awake often during the night. And yeah, well, for eating, it's just the same. Like whenever I'm stressed, I eat more junk food, like pizza, and not that many veggies, and not that healthy as I probably should be. Probably you can
Yeah,
relate
sure,
to
I can.
that.
And I think so many students can relate to that in the current situation. And
Yeah.
yeah, I think all students or so many students have this feeling of loneliness right now. And I found a really interesting e-learning on our Moodle platform of the University of Saarland, and I think it could really help you to stay positive and to find coping strategies and just to organize your day a bit. So would you like to watch the introduction video?
Yeah, that sounds great. Sure, let's do it.
Oh yeah, then let's do that.
So, what are the kinds of mental health issues facing students during the pandemic? Well, we believe that there are three main factors. First, we see things like concerns about health and concerns about academic performance. These can be considered anxiety-based problems. Next, we notice that increased social isolation is also frequently cited as an issue. This is to be expected given the amount of social distancing and lockdowns that have been enforced over the course of the past year. Lastly, we see many students reporting things like disruptions to sleeping or eating patterns. We consider these to be based in lifestyle factors. Now that we have these three categories of problems that are facing our students, where do we go from here? So how can we help our learners? Currently, students everywhere are in a place of negative emotion. There's a lot of fear, anxiety. This is having a real impact on the ability to carry out one's daily functions. And what we need to do is equip our learners with the knowledge and coping mechanisms that will help them move beyond those feelings towards a more stable place. These can be coping mechanisms they can implement in their daily life as part of a routine structure, or coping mechanisms to be used during an acute state of mood disturbance. So let's see how our product fits into this. We've decided to design an e-learning module using Articulate Storyline that will provide scientific information, cover coping skills and habits, and will work on computers, tablets, and smartphones. Additionally, our e-learning comes with a planner function. This planner promotes long-term change, structures routine, and provides a personal coping plan. Lastly, we decided to integrate a chatbot feature to provide quick, interactive help that they can access at any point in the e-learning. So let's take a look at how our planner functions. Interactive rooms and planner customization. Throughout our e-learning, learners will be presented with multiple interactive rooms correlating to one of our three main topics: loneliness, anxiety, or lifestyle factors. Each room contains multiple items that the learner can interact with. When a learner interacts with an item in a given room, the object will pull up additional content relating to mental health or coping strategies. This content can relate to everything from the role of hydration in mental health to yoga that one can do when one is not feeling very well. The planner comes into play here because every time an object is interacted with, the content on screen provides an option to add that item to their personal plan. They can also check and edit their plan at any given time. And so the benefit of this is that upon completion of our e-learning, users will be presented with a printable document that will then serve as their own copy of a personal wellness plan. Now let's discuss our chatbot feature. At any point in time while using the e-learning, our learners are able to select this small icon in the corner to access our chatbot feature. The benefit of the chatbot is that it can provide learners with quick suggestions regarding ways that they can de-escalate things like anxiety or loneliness, and it can also provide resources relating to university, professional help, this sort of stuff. It's accessible at any point in time during the e-learning, and the resources and activity suggestions located in the course are built into the chatbot. So you can think of the chatbot as a more instantaneous structure for most of the same information that is being presented in the slides themselves. But the benefit of this, of course, is if our learner is feeling pretty bad and they just want some quick information or feedback, they can just simply communicate with the chatbot feature instead of doing the entire e-learning and hopefully find the solution they need. To conclude, we believe that our product, using e-learning, a structured planner, and a quick interactive chatbot feature, will adequately help our learners address mental health issues relating to anxiety, isolation, and lifestyle factors. If these three factors are addressed properly, we truly believe that our learners will be able to move onward towards a place of better mental wellness. Thank you.